Hey girl, are you tired of those embarrassing panty lines? Well, hopefully we can solve that problem today with the cat-shaped invisible briefs.
I'm the shit, I know I'm the shit, yeah, I'm super lit. If you don't buy me what I want, I'ma throw a fit.
I'm Brit Brat, your review queen, and today we are going to be testing and reviewing the cat-shaped invisible briefs from Amazon. Now today's review may seem like a silly one, but hopefully if this does work, it's actually a very useful one because these things I absolutely hate. So I have a question for you all today. In the comment section below, I want for you to tell me if you've ever had your panty lines ruin one of your best outfits. So Brat Squad, make sure you guys show out and let me know below. And also, if you like what you see, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get into the actual item of the day. Now I know that it is almost summertime, so you guys probably will want to show off what you got, especially after we get done with social distancing. And this is going to be the perfect item for that because no one's going to want their panty line to show, especially when they're out looking good, wearing their shorts and their leggings. So what these babies are supposed to do is they are going to be briefs that are absolutely invisible. Literally all they are is just something that covers up your and your in the back. So these are definitely something that are different from a thong because thongs still have the actual like line that holds up everything going on, but you don't have that because this is literally invisible brief. So this is what it looks like right here, and this is the beautiful packaging that it comes in. And when I say beautiful, I say that with a grain of salt because I don't think it's all that cute at all. But it does say cat-shaped invisible briefs. Show your perfect buttock to him. I didn't even notice that said that. That's hilarious. But yeah, show your perfect buttock to him. New generation invisible briefs. And what really sold me on these is that they literally look like a cat. Like in the front, you are going to have a cat shape. They do come in different colors. I did get the red one because I'm going to be able to test it out with you guys. And I thought that red was a color that you will be able to definitely see when I try these on. So I feel like it's just like the perfect one to be able to expose. But they do also come in black and I believe a white color. I just thought about it. You think I should even like show the front?
I probably will put some pants on.
Because her whole ass is out right now.
Yeah.
Like, do you think that's YouTube acceptable?
Probably not.
Okay.
Unless you're Trisha Paytas.
So to be able to apply these, it's supposed to be super simple. All you have to do is take them out, remove the adhesive, and then put them on. So hopefully it's as simple as that. Let's go ahead and test these babies out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out of the box right here. And I have the panties. I think this is hilarious because for such a big punch, these things are literally nothing. They're just a string. They do come in this little pouch that I'm struggling with because I have no nails right now. I'm pretty sure all of us have the same issue. But yeah, it just says extra large on the little baggy part because that's the size that I got. They do have sizes, by the way. I don't know if I knew that. I don't think I intentionally got extra larges, but they come in small, medium, large, extra large. So just so you guys know. But this is what they look like right here. And again, I did choose the red color. So yeah, this is the front. That's supposed to go over your hoo-ha. And then the back that is supposed to cover up your little booty. And look at the cat. Like, I just think that is adorable. It's like a Siamese cat. I'm not sure if you guys can see the actual features on the front, but he's got like little eyes imprinted in there. And there's like a little nose. And little ears have like little indents. So yeah, there's the actual perfect cat print. Now, one thing I would like to point out, you guys, is that when I did see the picture on Amazon, what sold me is that it looked literally like it was plastic. Not necessarily plastic, but like it had shape to it. So this is kind of worrisome because it's just like cotton material, which I know is probably comfortable at the same time, but still it just looked like it was just more of a plastic feel to it, and it didn't look anything like this on the picture. So it is like a silky cotton nylon material, and then on the inside it does have that biological adhesive. So this is something you guys should all be familiar with because I have had this adhesive on pretty much every strapless bra that I've tried out, the Perfect Sculpt bras, and also it reminds me of something that has to do with the sticky tapes. I don't know if you guys remember that, but all of the push-up tapes that I've tried. So yeah, we're not unfamiliar with the stickiness that's going on here. So we're gonna go ahead and test these babies out. I'm gonna go put on some leggings and some real underwear so you guys can actually see the panty line with those, and then we're gonna see how these work out. All right guys, so I have my leggings on and I tried to find the most appropriate see-through ones that are very thin at the same time so you can see like a panty line going on. So I just have my regular underwear on right now that, you know, would show typically a panty line if I just had these on like this willy-nilly. And then I'm gonna go ahead and try these on so you guys can see the difference. All right guys, so this is what it looks like. Obviously it's a tad bit see-through, but this is literally what we struggle with whenever we wear a pair of leggings, especially ones that are white and as thin as this. So this is just my regular underwear. Again, you can see the panty line is very embarrassing. I would not want to go out with this like this because this would be all the attention. Like all the boys would come to the yard, but it wouldn't be for the right reason. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what the panty would look like on top of clothes before I actually put them on underneath, but this is like literally how it would work, and this looks so funny, I know it does, but I don't wanna take the sticky off until I actually put it on. So that's what it would look like in the front. And then in the back, the little cat is supposed to be doing a little number right here. So it's like a thong, but again, it's not because you don't have the actual panty line right here. So now let's go ahead and try these on and see the difference. Hey guys, before I try them on, I was just going to stick them and I realized that they have cute little paws on the actual stickiness. Like, look at that. Okay, I'm naked, bye. But PSS, look at the inside of the cat part. That's adorable. Look at that. Like meow. Meow. I like the ears. They look like little hearts. Okay, bye. Naked still. All right, guys. So I just put them on, and I would say that these are pretty fantastic. So if you look at the back, you'll be able to see that. Can you see anything at all?
No.
Is there anything at all that you can see? I did notice that I did shower before this and I put lotion on, which is my bad. So it is falling down a little bit in the back, but that's my fault because you're not supposed to do anything when it comes to lotions or like being greasy or dirty when you put these on. So make sure you shower before you wear them and make sure that you don't put any lotions on because it's gonna make it non-adhesive. But even for me putting that on, it still is actually like staying pretty put. So yeah, that's the back. And then here is the front right here. And again, very comfortable. Like I feel like I can do some things. Being that there is no line, I feel like it's just like not as see-through as it was even with regular underwear on. So I just think that is pretty cool. Now typically I would not wear a red panty underneath white leggings of all things, but you guys all know that when I test things out, I have to do it right for you. So yeah, I just think for them being red though, they literally are not that see-through. Like, I'm impressed. Seriously, very impressed. So to test these babies out even more, because we gotta go in depth, you guys, I'm gonna be doing 2 different tests. So, because Legally Blonde is my shit, we are going to be doing the bend snap test, and then also we're gonna be doing a squat test to see how well these things stay on, and also if you can see them when I'm doing squats. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the testing. Alright guys, so I just had an absolute ball testing these out for you. Before I get into my final review though, I thought that it would be pretty helpful and useful for me to show you guys these compared to a real thong. So here is a real thong that I have from Victoria's Secrets. And no, I have not worn this yet, so I'm not being nasty, but yeah, this is just a regular one. It seems to be very comfortable. It is cotton material and it just has the straps, but I mean, you can't beat not having any straps digging into your sides at all. So just look at them side by side, how they compare. Here is the front, love pink, and the front right here. So let me see if I can pull it up good for you guys. It's like a little bit difficult. But I put the little sticker things back on there so it's not sticking. But yeah, that's the front, and then the actual thong part itself. So they are pretty well when it comes to size. This part actually is a little bit thicker than this part. So this is skinnier, which something I really appreciate because I feel like it's just not gonna be as uncomfortable when it's, you know, uppy a little bit. And then on the back, here is the back right here, and here's the little kitty cat. So yeah, that's just how they compare in looks. So now for my final review before we get into whether or not these are going to be clowned or if they're going to be crowned. So one thing that I will like to say is a flaw of these is that if you are someone who has a little bit going on down here, which thankfully I don't have too much, but if you have a little like hair on your kuka, or if you have something by definition what we call a bush, you're going to want to be careful with these things, because obviously with the stickiness, the adhesive, it's going to get stuck in those. So you got to be careful with that. Make sure that you shave things down there first before you put these on, because that will make it very uncomfortable. Another thing is that the cat you have to be careful with as well, because if you have shorts on or something that's really low, you're gonna have a little cat that's sticking out. But I mean, that's really not that much different from a regular thong anyways. We just have to be careful with our undergarments showing whenever we're wearing things that are a little bit, you know, scandalous. So other than that though, I actually really enjoy these things. I think that for the price, being able to reuse them, and even for the color scheme, I think it's really neat that they even have options, because they could just have nude and black, which they don't. Another thing I would like to say about these is that you do have to go 2 sizes up. Now, usually I do wear a size medium in my panties and in my thongs, but these ones are a little bit more tighter. You need more room, obviously, because you're going up and it's kind of like putting on a diaper, if you will. So you got to be careful with that. Make sure you go 2 sizes up, because the extra large fit me perfectly, because we got a lot that it has to like reach and whatnot. So other than that, these things are amazing. They are very comfortable, and I just love the fact that I don't have an actual panty line or anything just digging into my sides, and it's just comfortable. I honestly wore these and I forgot they were even on, so I just think they're neat. And again, with the color red, they were not as see-through as they should have been with white leggings. So just imagine getting a pair of black or nude ones wearing under like your wedding dress or your prom dresses or any type of formal dress or anything else that you're wearing. These are going to be amazing. So with that being said, today the Invisible Cat panty briefs are going to be getting a crown. And this is going to be getting a crown today, because everything else that I said in the past just now, you guys, these are amazing for all my ladies in the Brat squad out there, because these are great if you are someone who doesn't like having that panty line look, but you also don't not like wearing panties, like you need that support. These are the things for you. And also they are perfect because you can wear them under swimwear. So if you are someone who doesn't like to wear your bathing suits or anything without like having some sort of undergarment underneath, these are gonna be perfect for that too. And the adhesive actually gets better when it hits wetness. So yeah, they're going to stick on even better with that. They're just amazing. So Amazon, amazing product. Thank you so much for making this an option of us ladies to be able to get. I had such a blast testing and reviewing the Invisible panties with you guys, and this cat is just to die for. I think it's hilarious. But I hope you guys enjoyed just as much as I did. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, as well as if you would like for me to become your review queen throughout the week, you hit that big old subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every single time that I upload a video. If you are someone who is watching from your mobile device, make sure that you give this a big old screenshot. Send it to me on Instagram by tagging, and I will feature you on my story. And also, you guys, go follow me on TikTok, the podcast, everything. I've got so much. I'm gonna make sure I leave all my socials below as always. I love you guys very much, and I will talk to you again with a very good review very soon. Mwah. Bye, Brats.